AR, ARE, and AIR. We're going to explore R-controlled A's in this sort. Now, there's two versions. They call one short R and one long R. So the short R sound is made like in the word part. R. It's kind of like short R is kind of like a pirate. R. That's the short R sound. Whereas the long R sound is made like in the word care. Care sounds kind of like air. And hair, air. Notice that if you just read this as a word instead of ARE, it would be read R. It would actually fit here. So keep in mind that you read these headings as how they're spelled, not how they would sound if they were a word. R is our short R, air is our long R. So let's look at our AR words, or our short R. Part, start, harm, sharp, dark, and shark. All of them have an R sound in the middle. And then we have our ARE words, like care, pair, stare, square, bear, fair, hair. These star words are a lot of homophones, and a homophone is a word that sounds exactly the same as another word, but has a different spelling that shows it has a different meaning. So these starred words have a pair somewhere on there. Pair, that's this word here, pair, like a partner. And pair actually has three. You have pair here, that means two or a partner. And then you have pair here, P-A-R-E, this one means to cut back or something. You might pare back and pull and get rid of it, kind of cut off the edge or something like that is pair. And then you have pear over here in our oddball column. That is the fruit you eat. Hair, fair, pair, chair, and stare, all in our air column, or not air, our AIR column. And then our oddballs. I'm going to start explaining the oddballs, then go over the homophones. So the oddballs are oddballs because you have pair, where, bear, where, and heart. Heart is one of our short R words, but it has EA instead of just AR. The reason is because there's a homophone called, that's heart. It's spelled H-A-R-T. It used to be, it's not used anymore. It used to be used to mean a male deer, and that's why they put the E here to represent heart, the body part, and they just use a different spelling, but they kept the same sound. So it would fit there, but it has that E, which makes it an oddball. Now, pair, where, and bear, all of these have the E-A-R as well, and again, they make the A-I-R, or the long R sound, air, but they have the E, so they don't fit the spelling pattern. Where is, again, the homophone of W-A-R-E and W-E, and kind of not really where. Where and where are homophones, there we go. And they are homophones, and you need another spelling for this, so they put the H in, so it doesn't really fit any of the pattern. It doesn't even have an A in it, but makes that air sound. Again, oddballs. Now let's talk about the homophones. You have pair, pair, and pair. Three different meanings, went over them earlier. Stare and stare. This stare is like the steps you walk up. This stare is like I look and stare at you. Bare, this means like uncovered. So my hand right now is bare. I don't have a glove or anything on. And bear, this is the animal bear. Fare, F-A-R-E, is like when you pay a fee. You might pay a bus fare to get on a bus, a fare, or a taxi fare to ride in a cab. And then fair, as in like everybody's equal or the same. Hare, this is the animal hair, like from the story The Tortoise and the Hare. And hair, as in the hair on your head. And we have covered them all.